Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by pairing essential prerequisites with immediate action. Pick 2-3 compound moves you like and test comfortable working weights. Explain the how. Try 3 sets of 6-10 reps and push only when form stays solid. Once done, set a micro goal for the next 4 weeks. Small, measurable progress prevents burnout and builds momentum. Make sure to schedule sessions, choose upbeat music, or recruit a friend so training feels like play rather than a chore. Now you build the detailed session structure. Alternate formats: circuits for endurance, imam for focus, ladders for challenge. Each changes pace and keeps novelty high. Explain why. Varied formats prevent plateaus and maintain curiosity, which improves adherence. Once you pick a format, choose 3-6 exercises and assign set, rep, or time targets. Make sure to include recovery intervals and progressive overload. Adjust load or volume incrementally. When sets, you wrap up by completing cool-downs and reflecting on progress. 5-10 minutes of mobility and a quick note of wins. Explain the how. Record 1 improvement and 1 adjustment for next session. If things go wrong, missing sessions, or losing motivation, simplify. Cut volume in half, switch to preferred movements, or train with a partner for accountability. Make sure to reassess every 4 weeks. Celebrate small wins so the process stays enjoyable and sustainable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.